What's up, people? Me and old Woochie P in there.
What's the way?
Yeah. We finna pull up around here at old Busted Knuckles. He done painted this car. He finished. You know, we done went through some trial and errors around here with the storm and this and that and this and that, but I think his roof had started leaking and all kind of shit, man. We done been through it around here, but it's all good. We finna pull up and see what Pat got going on. Got my boy Woochie P over here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get fired that motherfucker.
No Pat was right here, bro.
Yeah, Pat right here. I thought you came around. Nah, you ain't come with me. Yeah, you ain't come with me. All right, y'all. Let's see what old Pat got going on over here. What it do? What you got going on, brother? You need some cables? Yeah, mine in the truck. This out the gun.
That bitch look like Green Goblin.
No shit. This out the gun. Okay.
Oh, God. Sound loud.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That bitch look good.
I see nothing but reflections in that thing.
That bitch look good.
Oh yeah, boy. Okay. Shit. Yes, sir.
Cadillac. That was cute.
Okay. That's the man right here. Oh yeah, y'all. So, hey, check this out. Pat, he got his YouTube page. What is
Knuckle.
Busted Knuckles?
Yes, sir.
With an S at the end of Knuckles?
Just Busted Knuckle.
Busted Knuckle. Okay. Y'all go on YouTube. Check out my boy Pat. He just got his page started. Busted Knuckle. Y'all check him out. He got more to come. More to come. Yeah, y'all. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Straight out the gun. He ain't buff yet, no none of that. Oh yeah. That hoe coming to loose.
That's all.
Yeah. Well, so far so good. Look like Pat showed y'all a little something. Y'all go check that boy page out. Busted Knuckle on YouTube. He got more to come. Busted Knuckle on YouTube. Pat the Paint Man. Holla at y'all later.